How to cancel Tabby order online in UAE. Now, first of all, open the Tabby app or website. So start by opening the Tabby app on your phone or go to tabby.ai in your web browser and make sure I log into your accounts. Now, after that, go to My Orders. So from the home screen, tap on My Orders. Here you will see a list of your recent purchases made through Tabby. After that, select the order you want to cancel. So find the order you want to cancel and tap on it. You will see order details, including the store name, items, and payment style used. Now check store policy. So Tabby does not cancel orders directly. The store must cancel it first. Look for a cancel or request cancellation button or visit the store's websites to cancel. Now after that, contact the store's customer service. So if there is no cancel button, contact the store's customer support by chat, email, or phone and ask them for cancel your order and confirm the payment will be reserved through Tabby. Now wait for confirmation from Tabby. So once the source confirms the cancellation, Tabby will update your payments plan automatically and you will receive a notification or email when the order is cancelled and the amount is adjusted. Finally, check your Tabby app for updates. So go back to My Orders into Tabby app to see the updated style used. It should show cancelled or refunded. So this is how to cancel Tabby order online in UAE. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.